Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Shanaza Urarilke. I'm from Indonesia Technocrat University, class management 238, NPM 2341102. Here I will explain a little about material the nature of strategy management. Okay, understanding strategy management. Strategy management is a comprehensive, the continuous managerial process used by organization to formulate, implement, and evaluate cross-function decisions that enable the organization to achieve its long-term goals and then efficiency and effectively. This process involves an in-depth analysis of the organization's internal environment, such as resource capabilities and organizational culture, as well as the external environment, which include economic, social, political, technological, and competitive factors. Through strategy management, organization focus and only on achieving current performance, but also on creating and maintaining sustainable competitive advantage amidst dynamic and uncertain environmental change. Thus, strategy management serves as a guide from top management in determining the direction of the organization, allocation research, optimal, and then coordinating various business functions, and ensuring that all organization activities are aligned with the sustainable vision, mission, and strategy objective. The role of strategy management. Strategy management is crucial from organizational because it serves as the primary guideline for determining its long-term direction and goals the wish to achieve. Strategy management enables organization to anticipate various change in the business environment, where stemming for economic, technological, competitive, or regulatory factor enable them to respond proactively to opportunities that threaten and simple reach. Performance strategy management helps organizations allocate limited resources, such as capital, labor, and time more effectively and efficiently to support the achievement of strategy goals. Through proper strategy planning and implementation, organization can improve their competitive and performance compared to the competitor. Ultimately, strategy management also serves to mitigate future risks and uncertainties at every decision is based on thorough analysis and is oriented toward sustainability. Characteristics of strategy management. Strategy management has several key characteristics that this good for day-to-day operational management. 1. Long-term orientation. Strategy management is orientation toward the long-term goals and sustainability of the organization. Strategy decisions consider not only short-term results but also the impact to the organizational future, such as growth, sustainability, the competitive advantage. Therefore, strategies are designed to address challenges and opportunities that might arise in the future. And then 2, involves top management. Strategy management involves top management because strategy decisions are fundamental and affect the entire organization. Top management has a hearty responsibility and comprehensive view necessary to establish the organization vision, mission, and strategy direction. Furthermore, top management environmental is essential to ensure commitment and support for strategy implementation. 3. Focus on the entire organization. Strategy management does not focus solely on one specific function and department, but encompasses the entire organization, and sustainable and strategy must integrate various functions such as marketing, finance, operation, and human resource, so that can work in harmony and support each other in the achieving organization goals, and therefore consider internal and external factors. The strategy management organization must comprehensively analyze internal and external factors. Internal factors include organization strength and weakness, such as research capability and organizational culture. Meanwhile, external factors include opportunities and threats organization from the business environment, such as economic condition, competition, technology, and government policy. And then last 5, dynamic and sustainable. Strategy management is a dynamic because strengths with the adapt to rapid and understand environmental change. This process is also meaning a strategy need be continuously evaluate and upload to remain relevant and efficient in supporting the achievement of organization goals. The nature of strategy management. The nature of strategy management emphasizes the strategy is not a static decision made on and for a specific period of time, but rather the dynamic process that continuously evolves in line with the change in the organizational, internal, and external environment. An increasingly complex, competitive, and rapidly changing business environment such as technological advance, shifting consumer preferences, globalization, and economic uncertainty requires organizations to be adaptive, innovative, and responsive to emerging opportunities. That there's 3-4 strengths must be productively review, adjust, and upload to remain relevant and support the achievement of the organizational long-term goals. And then furthermore, strategy management is integrated because in the coordinates and all fixed function within the organization, such as marketing, finance, operation, and human resource, toward the same strategy direction. Each function cannot operation in isolating. They must each other for a strategy to be implemented effectively. The integrative approach helps organization optimize resource utilize, improve interdepartmental coordinating, and ensure that operational achievement align with the organization vision, mission, and strategy objective. Thus, the nature of strategy management emphasizes the importance of integration, flexibility, and community in the strategy management process to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. Benefit of implementing strategy management. The effective implementing of strategy management provides several important business for organization. First, strategy management can improve organizational performance because all decisions and activities are directed toward achieving predetermined strategy objectives. Second, strategy management provides clarity for direction and priorities, providing organization with the clear guidance on the needs be achieved and which step to priorities. Performance strategy management increase coordination between different work unit must collaborate and act to support the organization strategy. Another benefit in the ability to adapt to change where an organization are better prepared to face the dynamic of a constantly changed business environment. Ultimately, the consistent implementation on strategy management help organization achieve a sustainable competitive advantage and ability in them the competent and survive in the long term. Conclusion: strategy management is a crucial managerial process for an organization in determining its long-term direction and goals. Strategy management focus not only on achieve current performance but also creating and maintaining competitive advantage in the dynamic and uncertain business environment. The strategy management is reflection in the ability to anticipate environmental change, allocate research effectively, enhance organizational competitiveness, and minimize factor risks. Furthermore, strategy management has a characteristic such as long-term orientation involving top management function and the entire organization, considering internal and external factors. And then strategy is not a one-time decision, but rather a continuously evolving process that requires an ongoing evaluation and adjustment through integrative and adaptive approach. Strategy management analyze what is the organizational function as the all active with the vision and mission, supporting an organization long-term sustainability and success. Okay, I think that's enough for me to end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.